Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of our podcast series, English Grammar Made Easy. I'm Zero, and with me as always is the amazing Emma.
Hey guys, I'm super excited for today's episode. If you've been following us, you know we're on day 9 of our journey to make English grammar easy and, of course, fun.
Definitely. And if you've been sticking with us since the beginning, you're already seeing some improvement in your grammar skills, right?
Oh, for sure. I mean, there's always room to improve, but we've already broken down a lot of the tough stuff. Today, though, we're tackling something that trips up a lot of learners.
Yes. Today's episode is about clearing up the confusion around verb tenses.
I know. It sounds intense, but trust us, it's not as scary as it sounds. Verb tenses can feel like this big, complicated web, but once you understand the basics, it becomes so much clearer.
Exactly. So, Emma, let's break it down. A lot of learners struggle with knowing when to use the present, past, and future tenses. Do you think there's a specific tense that trips people up more than others?
Good question. I think for a lot of people, it's the present perfect tense. You know, the one that combines the present and the past. It's like, why does it exist? We have the present and the past already, right?
Yeah, exactly. It does seem like one tense too many. But when you get it, it really makes sense. Let's walk through a simple example to clear up the confusion. For instance, if I say, I have studied English for 5 years, what does that tell you, Emma?
It tells me that you started studying English in the past, and you're still studying it now. So it's something that started in the past and continues up to the present.
Perfect. See, once you understand that connection between the past and the present, it's much easier to grasp. The key is that the action has relevance to now.
Exactly. And then there's the past simple tense. I think this one trips people up too, right? It's for actions that are finished. Like, I studied English yesterday.
Right? That's a perfect example. It's not about the present. It's something that's completely done, like an event that happened and finished in the past. No connection to the present moment.
It's really all about when the action happened. Simple. So let's talk about the future tense. This one's a little more straightforward, don't you think?
Definitely. The future tense is used for things that haven't happened yet. So, like, I will study English tomorrow. The action is going to happen later, in the future.
Okay, now that we've broken it down, I feel better about it. But what if we throw in some continuous tenses? Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous.
Don't get scared, Emma. Let's break it down, step by step. Present continuous is for things happening right now or around the present. So if I say, I am studying English, it means I'm doing it right now.
Okay, that one's easy. It's just the ing form, right?
Exactly. Now, past continuous is when something was happening in the past, and it was ongoing. Like, I was studying English yesterday at 5 p.m. It was happening at a specific time in the past.
Oh, I get it. So what about future continuous? How does that one work?
Future continuous is for things that will be happening in the future at a certain time. Like, I will be studying English tomorrow at 5 p.m. So it's about predicting an ongoing action at a specific point in the future.
I see now. Okay, the whole tense thing isn't so terrifying once you break it down.
Exactly. And the more you practice, the more these tenses will start to feel natural. I promise, if you've been practicing with us, you're already on your way to mastering them.
I think the key takeaway here is don't stress over every little detail. Understand the when of the action, and it will be so much easier to choose the right tense.
Yeah, and keep practicing. You won't get it all perfect at once, but with each conversation, you're getting better and better.
Right. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're always here to help. You can also drop your questions in the comment section below, and we'll try to answer them in future episodes.
That's right. Keep up the great work, and remember, there's no rush. We're making English grammar easy, one step at a time.
All right, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on English Grammar Made Easy.
See you next time, guys. Keep practicing and stay awesome.